Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I am going to share with you one other base website. The website is you can earn Bitcoin from that website. This website is paying our Bitcoin Faucet, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and follow me for all the videos that I share with you. Just click and watch all videos, and if you want to make much more cryptocurrency, this is the best website I will share with you. Okay, the website name is free BTC. This website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself. This website is paying this much Satoshi for their users, and this is the all withdrawal proof. And if you want to make much more Bitcoin, this website is very wonderful. Okay, just come here, click sign up, name, email, password, gender, choose your country, any country you are, any country is available in this field. Okay, all the country, paste your Bitcoin wallet address, click agree and click register. Okay, you can register yourself, and now I click login. I log in my website. Okay, and this is the wonderful way you can earn. Now you can see I have 2 referral from my referral link. You can earn much more crypto with your referral link. Okay, and this is the best website right now. Is my balance at 10 BTC, and you can make much more. I have a lot of way you can make much more cryptocurrency. The first one is Faucet. Click Faucet, you can claim all this Faucet. Okay, every 1 hour come here and claim your Faucet. Okay, this is if you earn this all number, you can earn this much Bitcoin Satoshi. Okay, just type these and okay, just click the roll. I earn 10 BTC. Okay, between this number, and now I can come back every 1 hour. Click this one, and I can reach that amount. Okay, now I can visit PTCHats. If you want to visit, just click PTCHats. This PTCHats pay you some Satoshi every 5 seconds, pay you 4 Satoshi. Okay, this is available PTCHats. If you want to visit short links, this is short links, and you can visit all short links. They pay you this much Satoshi. Okay, this much short links is available in here. Click visit, and you can visit the short links. Okay, fill the job right now. No job. Achievements, just you can click achievements, and you can watch what is the achievements. Sometimes the achievements open, sometimes don't, but the achievement means if you reach the level 1 to level 2, they pay you much more, little bit crypto. Okay, for you. And now you can go to CPU mining. Okay, CPU mining, just start this one and wait until you can earn this much hash, and this much hash is equal to 1 BTC. Okay, daily you can earn this much BTC from the CPU mining. Okay, after offer wall, you can complete offer, you can refer your friends, and you can earn much more crypto with your referral link. Okay, right now I refer 2 people, but I didn't earn any crypto. Okay, this is the all information about your referral link, and this is your referral link. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to make much more cryptocurrency, this is the best website you can earn. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. This is all videos I share with you, and this is all free. You can make free cryptocurrency with us. This all videos. Thanks for watching.